Hey guys, what is up? Mike here. Today I've got a brand new important color correction pack, guys. This is the biggest color correction pack ever made. It is officially, I think, a world record, if there can be. I'm not even kidding right now. But anyways, guys, if you're wondering how my voice sounds better, it's not a new mic. I figured out if I hold the mic closer to my mouth that I'll sound better. But you're gonna get a RAW file like this. All you gotta do is right click extract here. I'm using WinRAR. You guys can go rawlab.com, link in the description, and it'll extract this nice package. Now before I enter this, I'm gonna right click it and go to properties and show you guys 1,207 files, over 1,200 files, color corrections basically, are in this pack, guys. 1,200, that's a huge number. I just created it all. And what we're gonna do is go into it, and here's what we've got. A little note from me, guys, please check that out. I literally just spent the last 3 hours creating this pack. Now none of the color corrections in this pack are from me. All of the color corrections are credited, however, and there are over 1,200. Once again, right click properties, there you go, 1,206 files. I'm going to double click in here, and we've got a little note telling us how to install into Magic Bullet Looks a Sony Vegas color correction with the sorted folders, where you can just double click those on any clip. Now we've got the After Effects ones with a bunch of these just filling up the area. Just check this out, like tons and tons of them. Sony Vegas does too, just not as much, guys. Still got a very nice amount. Sorry for that clicking noise. I'm about to plug in my headset or mute my volume, probably just physically mute my volume. And on the last one, the Magic Bullet Looks, we have a ton of folders with tons and tons and tons. Literally, guys, I don't even know how to describe how many color corrections are here. Just see for yourself. Most of them have more than that. Once again, there's 1,200 plus. Look at all this. Just look, guys. These are all no repeats. I've checked the pack. I might make a mistake. I am a human, but there should be very, very, very few repeats, if there are any at all. And there are just a ton of color corrections here, guys. An absolute amazing amount. So guys, please download this pack. But before you download this pack, guys, I'm gonna ask you to like the video and favorite it and subscribe if you haven't already. Guys, I'm just doing this because I literally just worked so long to make this pack. It is the biggest color correction pack in the world. A collaboration of tons of people who are amazing and are credited in there. Their names are over there. And just please like, favorite the video, and if you watch a couple of my other videos and you like them, please subscribe, guys. This has been FluffeyHD or Mike, and I want to thank you guys so much for everything you've done with me for YouTube. And please like the video, comment if you liked it or not, and yeah, just leave some positive feedback. I always like that, or whatever you guys think. If you don't like it, negative. But alright, guys, this has been Mike, and I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial of my color correction pack. Goodbye.